Welcome to GCRD Technologies. Python programming language, advantages and disadvantages. Python first released in 1991. As of now, 30 years old, senior than Java programming language. Next, it is a popular programming language. According to a market survey in 2021, it is number one programming language. It crossed Java and JavaScript also. Okay, from last 4 or 5 years, it is in top 3, 1 or 3 or 2 or 1. Okay. Python programming language, advantages and disadvantages. And my suggestion is first learn Python language to learn any other technology. First, see earlier, 15 years back slogan was first learn C language, then you can learn any other technology easily. But current slogan is first learn Python language, then you can learn any other software technology easily. Okay, next, advantages of Python programming. First one, here no sequence. Extensive libraries. See, Python has several predefined libraries. Python downloads with an extensive libraries and contains code for various purposes like regular expressions, documentation generation, unit testing, web browsers, threading, databases, CGI, email, image manipulation, and more. So we don't have to write the complete code for that manually. Next, extensible. Python can be extended to the other languages. You can write some of your code in languages like C++, C. This comes in handy, especially in projects. See, first one, extensive libraries. This is extensible. Say Python can integrate with C, C++, Java, C Python, with Java, Jython, with .NET, Iron Python, with R programming, Anaconda Python, like. Okay, next, third one, embeddable. See, complementary to extensibility. Python is embeddable as well. You can put your Python code in your source code of a different languages like C++, Java. This lets us add scripting capabilities to our code in the other language. Next, improved productivity. The language's simplicity and extensive libraries render programmers more productive than languages like Java, C++, and C#, etc. Also, the fact that you need to write less and get more things done. Next important one, IoT opportunities. IoT stands for Internet of Things. See, since Python forms the basis of new platforms like Raspberry Pi, it finds the future bright for the Internet of Things. This is a way to connect the language with the real world. Next, simple and easy. When working with Java, you may have to create a class to print hello world like message. But in Python, just a print statement will do. See, less code. See, it is also quite easy to learn, understand, and code. Next, Readable, seventh one, Readable. Because it is not such a verbose language, reading Python is much like reading English. This is the reason why it is so easy to learn, understand, and code. Code means write. It also does not need curly braces to define blocks, code blocks, and indentation is mandatory. This further aids the readability of the code. Next, object oriented. See, Python language supports both procedural and object oriented programming paradigms. While functions help us with the code reusability, classes and objects let us model the real world. A class allows the encapsulation of data and functions into one. See, Python supports both functional programming and object-oriented programming. Suppose in C language, we have functions only, built-in functions and user-defined functions for code reusability. Suppose in C++, Java, methods only, object-oriented programming, methods only for code reusability. But in our Python, you can find both functions and methods for code reusability. Means it supports both functional programming and object-oriented programming. But basically, it is an object-oriented programming language. Why? See, even though it supports functional programming, object-oriented programming concepts are dominating in Python. So we say Python is an object-oriented programming language. Next, free and open source. See, Python is freely available, but not only can you download Python for free, but you can also download its source code, make changes to it, and even distribute it. See, free means download and use with free of cost. Open source means apart from freeness, you can download the source code and modify the source code if you have programming knowledge and use that modified code. And you can distribute that code to your friends and other companies with free of cost. It downloads with an extensive collection of libraries to help you with the tasks. Next important one, portable. When you code your project in a language like C++, you may need to make some changes to it if you want to run it on another platform. But it is the same with Python. Here you need to code only once and you can run it anywhere. But it is not the same with Python. Here you need to code only once and you can run it anywhere. This is called WORA, write once and run anywhere. However, you need to be careful enough not to include any system dependent features. Next, interpreted. Say Python is an interpreted language. Since statements are executed one by one, debugging is easier than in compiled languages. Next, less coding. See, almost all of the tasks done in Python requires less coding. When the same task is done in another languages, more coding required. See, observe, almost all of tasks done in Python requires less coding. When the same task is done in other languages with more coding. Next, Python also has some standard library support. So you don't have to search for any third-party library to get your job done. This is the reason that many people suggest learning Python to beginners. Next, affordable. See, Python is free. Therefore, individuals, small companies, or big organizations can leverage the free available resources to build software applications. Python is popular and widely used, so it gives you better community support. See, in the 2019 GitHub annual survey showed us that Python has overtaken Java in the most popular programming language category. Next, Python for everyone. See, Python code can run on any machine where it is Linux or Macintosh or Windows. Programmers need to learn different languages for different jobs, but with Python, you can professionally build web applications, perform data analysis, machine learning, automating things, do web scraping, and also build games and powerful visualizations. It is an all-rounder programming language. Python is an all-rounder programming language. Next, come to disadvantages of Python. See, we have several advantages of Python language. Some disadvantages also there. Drawbacks. First one, slow speed. See, we discussed about that Python is an interpreted language and dynamically typed language. The line-by-line execution of code often leads to slow execution. The dynamic nature of Python is also responsible for the slow speed of Python because it has to do the extra work while executing code. So Python is not used for purposes where speed is an important aspect of the project. Python is slow in performance than Java. Okay. Next, not memory efficient. See, to provide simplicity to the developer, Python has to do a little trade-off. The Python programming language uses a large amount of memory. This can be a disadvantage while building applications when we prefer memory optimization. Next, weak in mobile programming. See, Python is generally used in server-side programming. We don't get to see Python on the client side or mobile applications because of the following reasons. Python is not memory efficient and it has slow processing power as compared to other languages. Java is strong in mobile application development. Android developed in Java technology. Next, database access. See, programming in Python is easy and stress-free, but when we are interacting with the database, it lags behind. The Python's database access layer is primitive and underdeveloped in comparison to the popular technologies like JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, and ODBC, Open Database Connectivity, JDBC and ODBC. Huge enterprises need smooth interaction of complex legacy data, and Python is thus rarely used in enterprises. Next, last one, runtime errors. See, as we know, Python is a dynamically typed language, so the data type of a variable can change anytime. A variable containing integer number may hold a string in the future, which can lead to runtime errors. Therefore, Python programmers need to perform through testing of the applications. These are the